Good Wednesday, everyone. Our weather map shows high pressure remains in control of the southeast U.S. today. You can see the rain riding the edge, the western edge of that high as high pressure turns clockwise. You can see those showers from central Florida moving up through Louisiana, Arkansas, and then back up and around through Ohio. But those will stay to our west today. You'll see strong to severe thunderstorms threatening portions of Missouri and northeast Kansas. So those folks will be weather aware today. And then you'll notice a wildfire danger. That's that gray shaded region from western Oklahoma down through the panhandle of Texas. Goodness gracious, they've had the largest wildfire in Texas state history across the panhandle region of Texas, and it's not looking like a good day for those folks today. Snowflakes are flying across the western U.S. as cold air moves in from the north and mixes with that precip to make snowflakes, and we'll be tracking that cold air as it moves eastward. Look at our 5-day forecast brought to you by Clearview Closet and Blind. Visit them today to see what they can do for you. Partly cloudy today, highs in the mid to upper 60s, southwest wind 5 to 10. A pleasant day. Tomorrow's another pleasant day, partly cloudy, highs in the low 70s on Thursday. Areas to our west around Nashville, Memphis could hit 80 degrees on Thursday, or at least get really close. That warm air, though, brings in moisture from the Gulf, and you all know what that means. We're going to see rain and storms on Friday. A couple of those storms might be strong. Right now, no clear signals of severe weather, but I will certainly monitor that closely. South winds 10 to 15, gusts to 20. It looks like Saturday's going to be okay. I told you all, keep checking back on that forecast now. I've dropped the rain chances from 30% to 10%, so we're trending the right direction. Maybe a sprinkle or so, but generally partly to mostly cloudy skies, highs in the mid 60s. Pretty good day to get out for a hike, it looks like. A few showers on Sunday. That's not looking very impressive either. What is impressive, though, is the cold air that is coming with that cold front that'll be coming through on Sunday. Highs around 60 on Sunday, but dropping into the low 30s by Monday morning. And that south wind you see there at 5 to 10 will be switching from the north. And that's going to set the stage for a really chilly week next week. Highs only in the 40s, lows in the 20s, maybe even a couple of low 20s a couple of nights. So, whew. But one thing about it, when you got the cooler air, you don't have to worry about severe weather. And we will be monitoring Friday. There is a severe weather risk across Arkansas and Missouri for Thursday, so we'll be tracking that as it moves eastward. Right now, there's nothing alarming in the data for us, but it's that time of the year when you got to watch these systems closely. That's exactly what I'll be doing. And it was not severe thunderstorms we were worried about on this day in 1993. It was the storm of the century that we were watching out for. Heavy snow hit the Cumberland Plateau. Jamestown received the highest storm total snowfall ever measured in Middle Tennessee with a whopping 26 inches of snow. Yes, that's right, more than 2 feet. Crossville sets a station record with almost 2 feet, 20.5 inches, while Allert sets its one-day snowfall record with 14.1 inches of snow. And snowfall totals like that were found all across the plateau, although I don't know for the life of me how anybody was able to measure that snow because of the way it drifted. As you all know, the winds howled and drifts were feet deep. Thankfully, snow was in the forecast, 4 to 6 inches worth-ish. So at least people were preparing for a big snow. And this was just a couple of days after being 60 degrees for a high because it was the middle of March. And yes, this was long before the days of Meteorologist Mark. So I wasn't here to tell you. No, I don't even know if I would have seen that blizzard coming. But it's hard to predict that much snow in the middle of March in Tennessee when we're supposed to be in springtime. So, but anyway, it happened, and heaven knows no one that was here when it happens ever going to forget about it. So it is a very unforgettable event. You folks have a wonderful Wednesday, and keep looking up for more weather information. Meteorologistmark.com.